Welcome to a unique business model that has no analogy and competition on the global market. There is no need for speculation and trading that, according to statistics, make 99% of people lose their money in the first year. In this project, everyone benefits from capitalization, technology, and well-designed business model. The world is going through dramatic changes. The traditional financial system is falling apart. The politics and attitude toward property will never be the same. The purchasing power of money, particularly the dollar, is falling. The constant printing of money causes currencies to depreciate. Real estate is also losing its value. In the nearest future, hundreds of thousands of people will run out of saving and 1 billion will lose their jobs. Today's economy is nothing but a bubble. However, the global changes also create global opportunities. Rich people are those who can immediately react to the changes. Today, we stand on the threshold of a new revolution, a digital revolution called the blockchain. In 2027, the blockchain technology market value will exceed 10% of the global economy. It means nearly $8 trillion. Let us introduce the Blockchain Capital project, which currently holds the exclusive place in the market of building digital capital and that right now expands exponentially, becoming the world's largest digital platform of Ethereum blockchain on the new generation, making people's lives more secure, free and full of new opportunities. You have a choice whether you start managing your own money using smart contracts or continue trusting financial institutions out of habit. Blockchain Capital is a team of specialists in finance, security, law and technology. Company's main product is the Wealth Builder token, the world's first cryptocurrency index that reflects the average cost of almost 95% of the entire cryptocurrency market. Reliable and profitable, it works based on smart contract. By relying on top currencies and not reacting in panic to temporary market ups and downs, the WBT index reduces cryptocurrency inherent risk and brings investors high returns. A competent strategy that's built rather for the long-term than short-term speculation and diversification of risks through planned budgeted investment in several assets always brings its owner a large profit. The smart contract itself monitors the market and the WBT rate is automatically recalculated. The owners sees the composition of the index at any time, and WBT tokens are only accessible to the owner. WBT tokens can be freely transferred to each other, can be converted to any liquid currency, do not require the owner to be constantly on the alert not to miss the fall of any currency and engage in analysis of each. WBT is the world's first index token implemented on blockchain, Ethereum and a smart contract. Token's value has increased tenfold in 2020 alone. That's over 1000% per annum. Why buy a WBT index token and pay a commission if everyone can purchase any currency on their own? Third, it is true in theory. In practice, there are lots of challenges in the development of a reliable portfolio. In practice, it is easier to use the smart contract WBT, then therefore the index is especially suitable for the passive investors who just want to quietly and confidently observe the growth of their assets and save time on market analysis. WBT is profitable, reliable and simple. In 2019, Blockchain Capital Company presented its new APT smart contract-based product. This saving program is for those who want to create a real digital capital within 10 years. The main advantage of the product is the availability of your personal savings at any time. In 10 years, your regular savings in digital assets may grow by hundreds of thousands of times. Let's have a look at the strategy and efficiency of APT program based on a real example of only one Ethereum cryptocurrency. If you had bought some Ethereum cryptocurrency on August 23 every year since 2015, you would have spent $7,000 and saved 862 Ethers. By March 23, 2021, their cost would have been $1,400,084. That means that in 7 years, only the $7,000 you invested would have turned into almost $1.5 million. What do you think of such a result? Long-term savings always yield more profit than short-term speculations. This is the strategy the APT saving program relies upon. You can never know which cryptocurrency will grow. For this reason, APT employs the diversification strategy, distributing and saving your money in 95% of the entire cryptocurrency market. And now, pay attention. Another advantage of the program is the insurance of your life and health for the entire period of saving the money and building your capital. This way, saving your money with the smart contract, you get a right to invest in a specially formed insurance fund and get a refund in case of an accident or a cancer. Your money will be always saved for you. The blockchain capital products are successful due to the contributions of investors who believed in its future in the very beginning, invested into the project by purchasing BCT tokens, and now draw annual dividends from the platform operation. In 3 years, the BCT value increased 18 times. However, it is not advertising that caused the growth, but the actual economic performance of the company that depends on the dividend value. The dividend fund is formed automatically by the smart contract. Dividends are distributed according to the algorithm laid down in the smart contract. The fund is formed by the revenue, not the net profit, which makes the dividend policy transparent, fair, and much more profitable. The growing number of product users and their increase in revenue caused the dividend fund to grow 15 times in 3 years. The company doesn't have offices and large cost of maintaining business processes. This is what attracts many investors, because you can get higher dividends by saving on costs. Just like other investors, the project creators also hold a share in the BCT tokens. Their financial success fully coincides with the interests of the other owners of BCT. The project team works and develops first of all for the company. They consider their own. Everyone in the project works for the overall success, as they own their share of the company, and their success directly depends on this. The knowledge and strong belief in success makes the technology promising or reliable. Today, blockchain capital counts over 12,000 satisfied users from 26 countries of the world. And here is the question for you: what do you do now? Would you be a pioneer and make big money that is available for those who entered the early stages, or rather blend in later and just be a user for technology when it becomes a part of your daily life?